aking win pag nila hindi ka na babalik.
So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, today is October 3. I just came yesterday from our National Sales Convention by Watson. So, the theme for this year Health and Beauty Sales Convention is about power up beauty. So, before we proceed, disclaimer lang, although most of these are sponsored, galing doon sa aming sales convention. Thank you, and I would like to share, mabilisan lang to and I will not show my face kasi, grabe, I'm really stressed, little bit stressed and tired, and I have breakdown. So, nag-breakdown ako. I don't know. It's just because of the stress or yung mga skincare na ginagamit ko. Kasi nagtatry ako ng skincare this month. So, huwag nating paligoy-ligoy pa. I'll be pick up randomly na lang, and then it's gonna be a very fast vlog kasi wala na ring as usual, wala na ring space itong aking phone. I'm just using my 6S Plus for vlogging. As you can see, I got payong. Yan. Typical payong na mahaba from Watson's yata yan. Hindi ko pa nabubuka yan, guys. Kasi I just fix it, arrange it yesterday night. Dapat sana ako, mag-vlog, but hindi na kaya ng battery ko. So, yan, mabilisan lang. Hindi ko na kumpleto yung mga palut bag. Mga 17 brand pa yung wala. Kasi yung iba din is wala na, naubos na. Talagang hindi mo to ng about an hour lang. Kailangan talaga madiskarte ka. So, yan. And, to start off, merong binigay si Bactidol. And, yan siya, diba? Merong malaki and maliit. And then, siya nga pala guys, I know yung iba, napanood na yung aking haul from my NASCON last 2 years. I'm working in Look, and Look is operated by Watsons. Yan. So, eto nakamix na to kasi inano ko nga dun sa isang bag para isang bitbita na lang. So, Chubaki, they gave me a postcard. Yan. Postcard from Chubaki. And then, hair fix. Hair fix, lang yan. And then, ito. Pond's, what is this? Diasorcinol. Maganda to eh. Nakita ko dun sa isang makeup artist na ginagamit niya. Hair fix. Hair color shampoo. I don't know kung magagamit ko siya kasi kulang yata pagka isang sachet. And then, Silka whitening lotion. Another one, lotion ulit. Puro mga sachet lang naman pinapamigay karamihan. Ayan. Collagen by Watsons. Tissue gel. Lotion. Medyo maingay sa labas. Pasensya na kayo. Then, Dermo Action Plus, I think it's an SPF. Ball pen ni Mayor. Ayan. Quick fix ang laman nito. Ewan ko nasa yung quick fix. And, YOU, antioxidant serum. And then, Clay-Doh, molding clay. Si Bench. Ayan, nandun kasi si Bench eh. Tapos, nanalo ko sa paroleta nila ng clean. Ayan, ito yung nanalo. Ay, yung napalanunan ko. Yan. Tama-tama, kailangan ko ng cotton pads. And then, an organizer. Kailangan ko din to with a mirror. Yan. It will help to organize my things. Yan, nagulo kasi yung ko. Yan siya. And then, tissue. Tama-tama, wala na rin akong tissue from Watsons. Tapos, we have psyllium fiber. You know what? I'm drinking this when I was in Kuwait, nung hindi pa ako healthy. Grabe. I need a lot of fiber before kasi talagang 2 to 3 days hindi ako tumatay. Sorry sa mga kumakain. And now they have with flavor. Dati kasi walang flavor eh. And then potency plus and acidic. Vitamin C for the kids. And hindi ka nang buksan. Ayun, meron pala doon potency for adult. Tapos, meron tayo dito. Wait lang. Buksan ko pa ba ito, guys? Kasi, I will not edit this one. Parang ganito ko nang upload to. Ito, bilihin na natin. Since, nagmamadali ako. Garnier, Vitamin C, tapos, lozenges. Ayan. Cream silk. Magagamit ko yan. Ito pala yung si Quick FX. Ito, by Right Med pala to. And then, Luxergonics. Tapos, Quick FX serum. A lot of serum. Mahilig sila sa serum. Alam nyo, guys, mahal din to. Mga nasa 90 pesos or 80. CosRX, nakipagpalit lang ako doon sa katrabaho ko. Ang nakuha ko facial wash and I need this because I have freaking workout. Snail White, yan. And ito Chubakin awa sila sa akin kasi di ako nanalo sa ruleta nila. And Fresh Retinol Advance. So moving on, guys, bilisan na natin. So Sweet Pea, it's a hand cream from Glamworks, and then Sustain Complete, it's on dry eye relief. Tapos feminine wash from GynPro, Bench, and then some vitamins. Centrum, mabilisan lang, guys, kasi lang naman mga laman nito. Ayan, loot bags. Yan, loot bags, and then ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and then from Senical, parang ano tawag dito, Medida. And nagmamadali na ako, guys, kasi dahil pa akong gagawin. It's vitamin supplements. Ito pang So, naputol na naman siya kasi puno na talaga yung memory ko. Ayan, binuhos ko na siya. Neurobion. And then, Silin Gummies. What's this? Sponge mask. Silin it's Biogesic. And spray. So, naputol ako dun sa spray. I-continue na natin. So, yan na lang naman. Pakita ko na lang yan. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. And then, this one is vitamin, I think, or supplement. So, hindi ko na siya isa-isahin. Spray. And then, Lucas Papaw. White, White flower. Then, ito, para matapos na last, pamaypay. And then, boost na natin siya. To finalize another, what's this, payong. So, yan lang naman, guys, sa mga nakuha natin. Yun na mga pamigay dun sa, what do you call this, sa convention. It's more on supplement, vitamins, and then payong, ito, yung sa makeup. Hindi ko na naabutan yung iba. And then, the rest are usually samples, what is this, sachet. Yun, paulit-ulit na lang ako kasi nga natatakot ako baka mamatay na naman to. Ilang beses na ako nag-retake. So, yan. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys.